Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today, I've got something special for you guys. If you are having issues braiding Caucasian hair, this video is for you because I've gotten so many requests, so many questions, people asking me how do you actually braid Caucasian hair. They are finding it difficult to do that. Okay, so this video is for you. So with regards to all the questions I've been getting, I decided to make this video, okay, to help someone out there and to answer all your questions with regards with how to braid Caucasian hair. Okay, so today I've got this video. Okay, it's a special video, okay, for someone special out there that is watching this video. All right, so and I've met so many clients of mine that when they come to me to braid their hair, they'll be like, what are you doing? They have had so many experience of people braiding their hair, they couldn't carry it for 24 hours, and they were like, let's try and see how this other person do that. And when they come to me, is a total different experience for them. Okay, so with all the complaints, some people say that African braiding is painful, is all that. I think the person adding the extension to your hair, if maybe the person doesn't know how to do that, or the person is holding it so tight, or you that doing your hair, you are very sensitive, okay, on your hair. All right, so with regards to that, I came up with this video on how to add extension to Caucasian hair. All right, so you watch closely. I'll be doing few of them, okay, to put you guys through, okay. And this is equally a therapy, okay. Watching this video, even for me, is a therapy, okay. Don't forget to watch to the end, okay, while you're adding value to your life, relaxing and all that, okay. So if you are having issues on how to braid Caucasian hair or straight hair, okay, this video is for you, okay. Don't be in a hurry to go out, just watch the video to the end. Definitely by the time you watch several of them I'm going to be doing, you will definitely know how to do that, okay. Basically what I do, okay, just watch closely how I'm going to hold the extension, okay, as if I want to cornrow the hair, okay, but it's not cornrow, as if I will cornrow the extension to the hair, okay. That's just, if you know how to do cornrow, this will be very easy, okay. So watch closely. I'll be doing several of them just like I said before, okay, so that you can learn how to do that, okay. And keep trying. You can get a mannequin to try it on mannequin before trying it on somebody's hair, because if you don't know how to do this, at the end of the day the braid, okay, will be painful. All right, you can see. And as I'm braiding, I use grease to try to smooth the hair, because the hair is quite silky. You can use water to spray on the hair if it's flying so much, okay, but for me, I didn't use any water on this hair, okay. Yeah, I didn't use water. I don't think I used water on this hair. You can just watch, okay, just watch closely on how I'm going to add this particular one, okay. You see, make sure your extension is free of tangle, okay. And closely, here I go. I see, cornrow the extension to the hair. Very easy. Yeah, very easy, okay. Just practice makes perfection, okay. And you will see, by the time you do that, the hair extension will get to the hair naturally and everything will just relax. All right, yeah. So watch to the end, okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, let your light so shine that men will see and give glory to God. Amen. I love you. Please, if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, share my video, and I will see you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video.